Today we'll be looking at this facial hair remover right here. So let me now quickly unbox it for you, see what's inside. So first off, I noticed we've got this little cleaning tool. Next up, we've got this little head replacement. Two more head replacements right here. Storage bag, which is very handy, very helpful, especially for this kind of stuff. Of course, user manual, as well as charging cable, and that is our device. So as you can see, it looks pretty much like a lipstick and I love it. This one is so good. Like, I've had one of these before, but it was given to my mom and she loved it so much. She's always taken it to all kind of like vacations when we go together, and she swears by it. So this one I would maybe mainly use it for like facial hair, but you're very welcome to use it on your body as well. But of course, this one is like very little, so especially for these little hairs right here, it will be absolutely perfect. And there's no better feeling than having absolutely absolutely smooth face. Like, I promise you that you're going to love it. So I really love this one. All you really need to do is to click this little button right here, and that's about it. So let me just like quickly demonstrate how this works. And you just go slowly like that, and I can see like the hairs are being removed. Like, my hair are very light, they are blonde, so you won't be able to see that, but it doesn't hurt at all. Like, I can barely feel anything. It's as if somebody was just, touching me. That's it. So this little light is very helpful since it's helping you to see the little hairs, so that's another benefit. And I mean, it's not too big. Like, you can take it with you anywhere. Just put it in your bag. You can go somewhere and just put it in your pocket, in your bag, and it will be absolutely perfect. And I'm sure you're going to love it, as all of my friends do. So definitely recommend this one to you.